I'm like shaking. Guys, guess what just came in the mail? My YouTube Creator Award for hitting over 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. I can't believe it has taken so long to get to this point. And I want to unbox this with you guys because I wouldn't have this if it wasn't for you guys. I mean, I've been doing this for over 10 years. This is, you know, it wasn't overnight. And there's been an evolution of Ashley over the 10 years. My channel has not stayed the same. There was a turning point where it became a sewing channel and is now going to be a forever sewing channel. So if you've been with me since the beginning, then I thank you for sticking around for this long. But I can't believe it. So I'm gonna open with you guys. I don't even want to open it. I just want to hold it and just be like, wow. Okay. I'm going to split. And one more on the back. Just savor all the moments because the next one is going to be is like 1 million, and let's be honest, I don't know. We don't know. Okay, here we go. Okay, there is some paperwork, but are you ready? I'm like shaking. It's heavy. Oh, it's even got whoa. I have never gotten an award for anything. And it's mirrored. I can see myself in it. Oh my goodness. Okay. Wow. Let's see what the paper says. Some 100,000 subscribers. Just how far have you come? If each of your subscribers were a light year, they could take you from one side of the Milky Way to the other. That's far. And it's why today we're so excited to celebrate your special YouTube journey with you. Not only have you brought a unique voice and style to the world, you've also created valuable connections and built a community along the way. In that spirit, YouTube is proud to present you with the Silver Creator Award, which celebrates your hard work and incredible achievement. Congratulations on this amazing milestone, just one of many that we hope will follow in the future. After all, there are countless others who have yet to discover your passion and dedication. Whether they come to your channel to learn something new or just for a laugh, a whole new audience is waiting for you to inspire them, just as your growing community continues to inspire you. We can't wait to see what you do next, and we'll do with you every step of the way. Yours sincerely, Susan. I'm not gonna try to pronounce that, but that's a hand signature right there. YouTube. Wow. Charmed by Ashley for passing 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. Well, I just wanted to show you guys because I'm so excited, and this is going to now live on my shelf behind me during podcasts and videos, and it's Cool. It's made out of metal. Anyways, I just want to again say thank you so much for sticking with me and being a subscriber. I truly appreciate it. And here's to the next 100,000.